Don't know what we have to do, but someone's gotta change.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today we are going to start decorating for fall. I know it may seem a little early for many of you, but in the YouTube world, this is what we do. We want to motivate you and inspire you, but first we need to clean a little bit. First, I'm going to show you guys what my house looks like before I start to clean. It is pretty messy. We have a lot to do. I did put some of the breakfast dishes away, but still stuff is everywhere. I'm going to start in the living room today, just picking up anything that was left behind after the boys went to school. And a lot of it is Ruby's toys. She has so many. She hasn't quite learned to pick up after herself, so I will do it for her. I'm also going to take these blankets and the towel and put them in the wash. We love this massage chair, but honestly, it is super ugly and I don't want to see it anymore, so I am going to put it in the other room. I love to open the curtains when I start to clean. I just feel like it lets the sun come in and it gives me so much energy to get things done. I feel like I am forever fluffing out these pillows. It has been a really long time since we had a cloth couch, and it is taking some getting used to. I think when we get our next couch, I will definitely do leather. I'm going to use my e-cloth here and just dust this area. It gets super dusty, and I didn't want to use any spray today because I feel like no matter how careful I am, it always gets on the floor and I always trip and fall because it's so smooth. No kidding. I did it last week and it was hilarious. So I'm just going to use this cloth and wipe everything down. Now on to vacuuming. I always like to vacuum after I dust. A little tip, if you will, you don't want the dust just laying around because it does get in the air, and this just ensures that it gets off of the floor and out of the air and you breathe so much easier. I'm going to finish up all the vacuuming under these bar stools. These get so, well, this area gets so just gross. This is where the kids primarily eat, and it is forever full of crumbs. So like I mentioned in my morning cleaning routine, so much of my routine is just putting things back in their home, and that's what I'm doing now. There were some batteries and headphones that just needed to be put up, as well as my hair, because I was so hot walking around. I had to put my hair up. I'm using my favorite cleanser for the granite and for any stone. Actually, this is the Wyman brand, and it by far beats anything I have ever used. I'm just going to take that same cloth, I'm going to rinse it out, and I'm going to clean the stove and on the backsplash and just get anything that I may have left behind this morning or last night. I'm also going to clean this little wood area. Y'all, I got this so long ago at Target and I love it. It is Magnolia brand, I think. And I love how it just kind of gives height over there. And then the utensil holder I got from Home Goods. You will see that I get a lot of stuff from Marshalls and Target and Home Goods and TJ Maxx. Those are my stores. That's where I love to go. I'm going to clean this little area up over here. I saw some soap on there, so I decided to wipe it up. I do not have any fall scents, hand soaps. Let me know. Have y'all tried the Mrs. Meyer's new scents, fall scents? I have not. So if you have, let me know what your favorite is. Apple cider was my favorite last year, and I used it all year long because I bought so many of them. So I'm just going to put back the peach because it's orange. I'm going to use that same old rag, so just go ahead and wipe all of these cabinets. Y'all, if y'all been with me for a while, I painted these and I love them, but it is just a temporary fix. When we remodel this kitchen, we have a whole plan for it. These are going to have to go because they are scratching. And it's only been 8 months, so I'm a little discouraged about it, but it, again, is a super good fix temporarily. I did the Rust-Oleum paint. I heard that Valspar was better, so I've done it. It's on here for now. But I will say they clean up super well. And there's my little buddy hanging out with me.
What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then
so I love to have frothy coffee. So I have been using my little frother. I got it from Target. I think it was $6, honestly. Super cheap. But I make such a mess, so I need to clean up my Keurig because it's white and you can see everything on that thing. I'm also going to take some of these utensils and put them in the drawer because they're a little more used than I would like to see right now. They have some burn marks, so just to make it look a little prettier. Okay, I want to show you guys some of the stuff I got this year. I got these creamy hydrangeas at Marshalls. I got this at the thrift store for $3. I got this from Marshalls. I love the emerald green. I got this cutting board from Home Goods that I'm actually going to hang on the side of the cabinets there. I got these from Home Goods. And I got this pillow from Home Goods, and I love that it still has some of my aqua color in it. Super cute. Then I still have my items from last year, and I'm going to be using those as well. This is a pumpkin I have had. A friend of mine gave it to me, and I thought it would go perfect right here just to kind of balance out all of this blue and busyness. And then I'm going to add my little dishcloths here. I actually do use these. They have not been washed yet, but I'm going to use an older one that I actually got last year as well and put it next to it. I like the neutral tones, but I like a little bit of subtle orange as well because my house is pretty neutral, so it's nice to have some change and bring some other colors in. This little rack here is from IKEA, and I used to have my coffee bar, have this with my coffee bar, but I took that down, so we just installed it on the side of the cabinets, and I love it because we are going to hang cutting boards on here and some of our dishcloth towels that we don't use but are just pretty.
Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way.
The plaid pillows are something I got last year as well. I have them in my Amazon favorites, as well as the velvet blue ones are also in my Amazon favorites. You know I love to get just pillow covers and change it throughout the season because if I'm being honest, I change my decor all the time. After putting everything together, I did not get rave reviews about the pillow, so you guys, I think it's going back. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how everything came together. But when I do my fall home tour, it's probably going to look a little bit different again. I will say the throw blanket here, I got this from Marshall's. It was super affordable, I think $14. It is the softest blanket ever, and you know I love animal print, so this is supposed to be like the lynx fur. I'm not sure, but it's so soft. Then I'm going to take some of these pumpkins that I already had and just fill these sconces with it just for a little pop of fall and color. Another area that I had quite a bit of trouble with, it's like, let me know if you guys can relate. I can decorate other people's houses, but I have a very hard time with my own. So I do my best, but I move things so many times, and honestly, I will put something somewhere and always come back. I'm very indecisive, and sometimes it takes me a couple of days to decide what I like. I gotta let it sit and then come back. So I'm pretty sure so many things are going to be different when my fall home tour comes out, and I am so excited. I believe that it's going to be out on Sunday, so you guys have got to make sure you are subscribed. Hit that notification bell. That way you are alerted whenever I have new videos. Y'all don't want to miss it. Honestly, I am prepping, and I'm so excited, and it would mean the world to me if you would watch that video, because I am so excited. Fall is my favorite time to decorate, and so when everything comes together, it's just sweet victory. So here is what everything looks like all put together. And like I said, some things are going to change, but I wanted to go ahead and show you what I did on this day, and I hope that it motivates you and inspires you to do what you love to do in your own home. Make your home a place that you love to be. Make it your haven, and that is what I try to do. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, would you guys give it a thumbs up? It helps out my channel a ton, and it just shows me what you guys want to see on my channel. Let me know in the comments, are you going for the neutral decor, more traditional? I would love to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed, and I cannot wait to show you the final reveal in my fall home decor video. So I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.